UHD has hands down been the latest big breakthrough in display technology. The transition from HD to UHD is exciting, but it is causing some headaches to installers and end users. In this video, we will talk about some best practices to ensure that you have a successful installation and that you get the most out of the system. Similar to planning a dinner party, preparation is everything. The better you prepare, the easier it is to install, optimize, and calibrate the system. When designing a system, be sure that all devices are at least HDMI 2 compatible and that all of the HDMI cables can pass 18 gigabits per second. Testing all devices and cables can and should be done before the installation. Only proceed once all of the devices and cables are tested. Having a plan and staying organised is the best way to guarantee a successful installation. If you are using products like extenders, be sure that category and fibre cables are good quality and that all ends are terminated properly. Power up all your devices and connect them to the local network. Then, perform a firmware update on each device. Once everything is installed and updated, it is time to optimize the system. Starting with the display, be sure that you are plugging devices into the HDMI inputs that can handle 18 gigabits per second. Each manufacturer treats things a little differently, so check the owner's manual if you're not sure. After configuring the display, work your way down the signal chain. Check that all of the devices are optimized for 4K and HDR. Look for settings like dynamic range, resolution, and chroma subsampling. Now that the system is installed and configured, it's time for some testing. Grab your favourite piece of UHD demo material and make sure that the system is performing as expected. Watch for an indicator on the display for HDR and check the AVR to ensure that the proper soundtrack is playing. A good design, precise planning, and preparation is the key to a successful installation. Having proper tools and test equipment will ensure that troubleshooting goes smoothly if you come across a bump in the road. Don't forget things like audio and video calibration if you'd like to squeeze every last bit of performance out of your system. At AVPro Edge, we provide installers with 18 gigabits per second test equipment and HDMI distribution products. AVPro Edge is committed to leading the way to the future. For more information, visit avproedge.com.
Always on the cutting edge.